Here we are at the beach, and it's the 22nd, maybe 70 degrees, but very foggy. You can hardly see the people walking. There's some sunbathers in the sun. Tomorrow's supposed to be mid-50s, so everyone's enjoying this warm day. Check it out, though. You can see on the beach the clouds, the fog clouds making shadows. I've never seen it so foggy here.